Good morning, Jake Barnes. Hope you're smiling. Hope you're damning on them haters. Hope you're working hard. And today I'm not doing a Peppa Pig video. Pretty sad. But today I'm opening 2 FIFA packs. If you don't know what FIFA is, it's a game on Xbox. Yeah. And PS4 and stuff. Yeah. Where the hell's my phone? Oh, there it is. So I just got these packs now. They're pretty crap. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna get crap. If I'm gonna walk out, you will have to subscribe. Forget Ronaldo, I'm quitting YouTube. Another walkout. Who is it? Oh, it's Harry Kane. Who is it? What's his name? I don't know what the hell this is. Not that's all. Oh, Stamford Bridge. What should I kill? Why do I want this? I don't want the Allianz Arena. Chelsea's better. I'll go for Chelsea. I'll sell the rest. The final pack. I need to get someone. No! Please give me a flare at least. Thank you. Give me Drogba. Balotelli. Wow. Best player so far. You just got his crap in the last pack. Anyone else? He's draft topped up. How much is 5k. I think I might sell them all. Actually, I'm selling them all. 123k. I'm gonna go on the I'll show you my squad. Look at my squad. It's pretty crap. Am I right one? Yeah. I got Lucas in a squad building challenge. 93 pace and 86 dribblings. He's on a good stat. Oh, why is Laporte dead? I'll put him in for Inzaghi. So I hope you enjoyed the video for today. That was like one of the worst videos I've probably ever done. Yep. See